not saying that you don't have to share anything with anyone, but at least choose your people, at least give people the time, at least judge the people, at least listen to them and have that idea, have that time, give them time, give yourself the time, that there should be a time when you feel like, yes, this person is trustable, the person is also sharing a lot of stuff with me, so this is safe to share my life, my experiences, my things, my painful moment, my dark stories. With dark moments, I don't feel like you should share to anyone, like the things you're embarrassed, the thing you feel like you are regretful, you feel like you will not repeat those things in life, never ever share those stories with anyone in your life. Always tell people good about yourself, so they should have an idea. If you already give people the weak moments, your weaknesses, so what people do when the time will come, because there is one person everybody will choose is yourself. तो अगर कोई ऐसा टाइम आता है जहाँ पे यू आर हैविंग अ डिबेट एंड ऑब्वियसली दे हैव टू चूज देम सेल्फ, एक मोमेंट्स आपने जो उनके हाथों में थमा रखे हैं ना, दे विल टॉन्ट ऑन दैट, वो उसको यूज करेंगे अगेंस्ट यू। सो जितना आप साइलेंट रहते हो, जितना आप ऑब्जर्व करते हो चीज़ों को, जितना आप ओवर शेयर करने से परहेज करते हो, जितना आप कम शेयर करते हो लोगों से, उतना आपके लिए बेटर है।